Okay, the 4 attributes of marquee tag. Yes, what answer you have written for this? 4 attributes of marquee tag.
Width, height,
Width,
BG color,
height, behavior,
behavior.
and BG color.
So the attributes of marquee tag are height, width, BG color you can set, behavior. So these are the attributes of marquee tag. Write the HTML coding for the following. So insert image new.jpg with width 300 and height 200. Yes. Who will tell me the answer? जयंत आपके ऊपर देखो ब्राउजर के ऊपर ही देयर इज द ऑप्शन ऑफ ऐड टेक्स्ट, उसको क्लिक करो, क्लिक दैट ऑप्शन ऐड टेक्स्ट. यस, और टेप, हाँ यहीं पे आंसर लिख दो इसका. इंसर्ट इमेज न्यू डॉट जेपीजी विथ 300 width एंड हाइट 200. थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट साइड पे लेके आओ सो दैट ये पूरी प्रॉपर कोडिंग आ जाए. फॉलोइंग के साथ ले आओ. यस, करेक्ट. ओके, व्हाट विल बी द कोड फॉर द सेम? img, start the tag img. Yes, Pearl, the answer is correct. src equal to, क्या आंसर आएगा? इमेज का सोर्स आपको गिवन है, दैट इज न्यू डॉट जेपीजी. तो img src इक्वल टू न्यू डॉट जेपीजी डबल कोट्स बंद, फिर स्पेस दे के आप विड्थ देंगे, विड्थ इक्वल टू 300 इन द डबल कोट्स एंड हाइट इक्वल टू 200 in the double quotes. Clear? Those who have written the incorrect answer, so correct your answer right now. Correct. So this will be the answer of A part. img source equal to new dot jpg, width equal to 300 and height equal to 200. Clear? The answer is clear. Okay. Next question, start an ordered list with D. Start an ordered list with D. Yes. Jayan, please write the answer here. B part के आगे.
OL start is equals to D.
OL start equal to D. That is incorrect. Start an ordered list with D. क्या आएगा? Start will always have a numeric value. तो हमें टाइप एट्रीब्यूट भी लगाना पड़ेगा. OL start equal to 4 क्योंकि D की वैल्यू कितनी है? 1 A B C D 1 2 3 4 और टाइप इक्वल टू कैपिटल A. स्टार्ट इक्वल टू D नहीं आएगा बिकॉज स्टार्ट इज ऑलवेज हैविंग अ न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू. स्टार्ट में हमेशा न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू ही रहती है और बाय डिफॉल्ट ऑर्डर लिस्ट की वैल्यू हमें पता है इट विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 2 3 एंड 4. ओके, न्यूमेरिक 1 2 3 आएगा लेकिन हमने किस में देना है? ABC में देना है. सो दैट्स व्हाई टाइप इक्वल टू कैपिटल A and start equal to 4. The question is clear? The question is clear, बच्चे? Okay. Next, what will be the values that can be given to the type attribute of UL tag? क्या values आ सकती हैं? UL के अंदर type disk, square and circle. So 3 marks question, 3 values are there: disk, square and circle. Clear? UL टाइप की वैल्यूज कौन कौन सी हो सकती हैं? डिस्क, स्क्वायर, सर्कल. ऑल राइट, करेक्ट. ओके, नाउ द फुल फॉर्म. एक्सपैंड OL, ordered list, img image. A stands for anchor tag. A stands for anchor tag. So any doubt in the full forms? OL, ordered list, img image tag, A stands for anchor tag. Okay, so let's do the coding for the question. Jayant, please stop sharing the screen. Let me write the code for this practically. So in the question, look at the question everyone carefully. Question में आपको बोला गया कि कोडिंग लिखनी है, roll number, name, marks and grade. ठीक है, so you have to create a table in the HTML. So for that, firstly I'm going to start the HTML tag, then head, title, close the title tag. यहाँ पे title में you can give anything according to your wish. Then close the head tag. Now start the body tag. You can set the BG color. So these all are the extra things that you can do accordingly. Okay, now I'm going to start with the table tag because आपको यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं बोला गया क्वेश्चन में कि क्या एट्रीब्यूट लगाना है, क्या आपकी प्रॉपर्टीज रहेंगी टेबल के रिलेटेड. यू कैन यूज एनी अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. तो आप इसमें कुछ भी लगा देते. तो राइट नाउ जैसे मैं यहाँ पे बीजी कलर सेट कर रही हूँ. I am going to set table BG color as green. Now there are total 4 rows in a table along with the 4 columns. तो मतलब 4 cells बनेंगे. So first row, okay, inside the first row. और यहाँ पे आपको कुछ नहीं बोला गया कि नॉर्मल सेल है या हेडर सेल है. तो आप चाहे TH से यूज कर लो, चाहे TD यूज कर लो. No deduction in the marks, it will be correct. Okay, so first one given roll number. And you can see there जो roll number name. Okay, पहले मेरे को ये लिखने दो. Roll number, name, and then थर्ड सेल में आपको गिवन है marks, and the fourth cell is grade. Clear? So here closes the first row. So ये हमारी first row बन गई है. This completes the first row. Now you can see roll number, name, marks and grade all are appearing in the center. सारा का सारा कहाँ पे आ रहा है? Center में आ रहा है. So that's why TR align equal to center because we are making the content in the center of a table. ठीक है, तो ये मेरा टेबल का कंटेंट सेंटर में हो गया. सिर्फ फर्स्ट रो में अलाइन सेंटर लगा है, बाकी रोज में सारा का सारा कंटेंट left aligned. That means that is the default alignment. If you will not use TR align equal to center, so automatically it will give you the text on the left side. So I'm going to copy it down. So roll number 1, then the name is given here Amrit, 67 marks, and the grade is C. Similarly, the third row, roll number 2, name is Manav, marks are 78, and B. Once again, copy the same coding. Now roll number 3, Harman, marks 92, grade is A. This completes the coding of table. End it with table tag, then body tag, and then HTML tag. So I hope the coding is clear. Any doubt? Any doubt to anyone? So save it. Let's look at the output. .html for saving the files. So this is my table. Okay, right now I have not used the border attribute, so that's why it is appearing like this. अगर आप यहाँ पे border attribute लगा दोगे, border, whatever the border you want to give, and if you want to give the border color also, so in this way you can make the changes in your table. Oh, sorry. This is to be used inside a table tag. Here. Okay. So let's, if you want to make the table in the center of the web page, so table align equal to center, and for giving a proper spacing, cell spacing attribute, cell padding, टेबल बीजी कलर ग्रीन, बॉर्डर 5, बॉर्डर कलर हमने दिया रेड, अलाइन की वैल्यू हमने सेट करी है, सेंटर, सेल स्पेसिंग 50, सेल पैडिंग 20. So save it. Now look at the table. Okay. Clear? Any doubt in the coding of a table? So the test is clear. I hope all the questions are clear. Any doubt to anyone? Yes, bache. Any doubt? Okay. So let's revise this chapter from the starting, because the next week the test of same chapter. So keep your notebooks with you. We are going to do so many extra questions. Yes. First, the types of list in HTML. How many types of list are there in the HTML? Yes. कौन-कौन सी लिस्ट है HTML में बताओ?
Ordered list, unordered list.
So there are two types of list in HTML, that is ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list. What is the other name of ordered list?
Numbered list.
Numbered list.
Numbered list. And the other type of list is unordered,
Bulleted list.
also called as bulleted list. Okay. Now, what is ordered list? What do you understand by the term ordered list? It means the items are in specific order. Ordered list means the list in which the items are in specific order, whereas the unordered list is a list in which items are not in a specific order. So they will not follow any particular order for displaying the items, right? As well as for creating the ordered list, the OL tag is used. For creating the unordered list, the UL tag is used. Ordered list is a list in which the items are in specific order. Unordered list is a list in which the items are not in a specific order. For creating the ordered list, OL tag is used. For creating the for creating the unordered list, the UL tag is used, right? Now, what are the attributes of ordered list? Write down the next question. What are the attributes of ordered list? So ordered list OL tag is having two attributes, that is type and start. Type and start. Whereas the UL tag is having the attribute only type. So there is only one attribute of the UL tag. Clear? Doubt? Any doubt? Now, what is a type attribute? Next question. Use of type attribute in OL tag and UL tag. What is the use of type attribute in OL and UL tag? Anji, tell me the answer. Anji, who will give the answer? What is the use of type attribute in OL?
Type attribute specifies the type of bullet or the number, the type of bullet or the number that can be used with the tag.
Type attribute in UL tag specifies the type of the bullet that you are going to use for the list items. In case of the ordered list, the type attribute will specify the type of listing number that you want to specify for the list. Okay, so clear? Now, what is the use of start attribute? What is the use of start attribute? Hanji?
It is used to define the starting value for numbering.
So start attribute in OL tag is used to specify the starting value or the starting number for a particular list item. And start attribute will always have numeric value. Start attribute में हमेशा क्या आएगा? Numeric value. Okay. So let's discuss the syntax of OL and UL. Write down the syntax in the notebooks. Syntax of OL tag. OL, LI, again LI, and then you have to close the OL tag. Now, LI can be a container tag or it can be a empty tag. So both it will work. चाहे आप इसको container बना लो, चाहे आप इसको text बना लो. Okay. OL stands for ordered list. Write down the full form side by side. UL stands for unordered list. LI stands for list item. OL stands for ordered list. UL stands for unordered list. LI stands for list item. Write down the full forms. UL, unordered list. LI, list item. IMG, image. SRC, source. ALT, alternate. TR, table row. TD, table data. TH, table head. A, anchor. A stands for anchor. Any other full form left in the chapter? All the full forms done? TR, TD and TH. Okay, after that LI भी हो गया हमारा, OL also done, UL done. The next is href. Href. Full form for href. Hypertext reference. Href stands for hypertext reference. Clear? So all these are the full forms of this chapter. So everyone has noted it down? Yes? All of you have noted it down? B, I and U, that are for the previous chapter. We are doing chapter number 11 right now. Next, the syntax of unordered list, UL, list item, and then close the UL tag. This is the syntax of unordered list. So note down the syntax side by side. OL and UL, the syntax. Clear? Next question. Values of type attribute. Values of type attribute in OL tag. Next, values of type attribute in UL tag. What are the values of type attribute in UL tag? Both OL and UL are the container tags, and like you can treat it as a container or empty both. So type values of type attribute in UL: disk, square, circle. Disk, square and circle. And if you will not give, you will not specify the value, the default value will be disk. The default value will be disk. In case of OL tag, the values of type attribute are 1, that is Arabic number, which is the default value if you are not going to specify the type here. So default value will be 1 here. Next, uppercase, lowercase, small Romans, and capital Romans. These are the possible values of the type attribute in OL tag. In UL tag, disk, square and circle, the default value is disk, whereas in case of the OL tag, the values of the type attribute are 1, that is the default value Arabic number, capital A, small Roman, capital Romans. So any doubt? Any doubt in this topic to anyone? Okay. Now next, what is a marquee to? What is a marquee tag? What is the use of marquee tag? Use of marquee tag, that is used to move the text message. That is used to move a text message on the background of a web page. On the background of a web page. Use of marquee tag. Next, attributes of marquee tag. Attributes of marquee tag already we have discussed in the test also. Height, width, bg color, behavior. कौन कौन से attributes आ रहे हैं? Height, width, bg color, behavior. Next, values of behavior attribute in marquee tag. What are the possible values of behavior attribute in marquee tag? The values are alternate, scroll, slide. Alternate, scroll and slide. All right. Clear है marquee tag, and marquee is a container tag. It is a container tag which is used to display the moving text on the background of the web page. The attributes of the marquee tag are height, width, bg color and behavior. The values of the behavior attribute can be alternate, scroll and slide. यहाँ तक सबको clear है? Any doubt? चले आगे? Everyone? Okay, next, what is a table tag? What is a table tag? That is used to organize the data in the form of rows and column. Table tag is a container tag. सबसे पहले टेबल क्या है? कंटेनर टैग है. That is used to display the data in the form of rows and columns. Okay, so write down the syntax for the table tag now. Table, then you will going to start any row, then td, again td, and close the row, then close the table tag. Okay, next question, name the tags that form the structure of table. Tags that forms the structure of table. Name the tags that form the structure of a table. So the tags are: number 1, table tag; second, caption tag; tr tag; td tag; th tag. TR, TD, TH, caption and table. So these are the tags which will form the structure of a table. So let's discuss them one by one. Table is a container tag which will mark the beginning and ending of a table, and it will display the text in the form of rows and columns. Caption tag is a container tag which is used to display the heading of a table. TR tag is a container tag which will create a single row in a table. एक row बनेगी इससे. TD, again a container tag which will form a particular one cell in a single row. एक cell बनाने के लिए. This is a normal cell. TH, it will create a header cell in a row. This will create a header cell in a row. And in the TD tag, the data will be depicted. It will be displayed in a normal way. But in case of TH tag, data will be centered aligned by default. By default, centered aligned होगा plus bold आएगा. We need not to apply TH align equal to center, because by default the data will be aligned center and it will display in a bold. But whereas in case of TD tag, it will display the data on the left side. That is the default alignment. But we can use align attribute in case of TD tag in order to display our data either in left, right or center. By default तो left alignment है ही है. अगर आपको right या center में अपना data depict करना है तो you can write TD align equal to जो भी आपको value रखनी है. But in case of TH, it will automatically by default display the data in the centered as well as in the bold form. So what are the tags which will form the structure? Table, caption, TR, TD and TH. TR will create a single row. TD will create a cell in a row. Caption to give heading of a table, and table tag that is used to create or insert a table in a web page. Any doubt? Any doubt in the table tag? What are the attributes of table tag now? कौन-कौन से attributes हैं table के? BG color, background, border, border color, cell spacing, cell padding, height, width, align. So these all are the attributes of table tag. So clear? Yes, बच्चे, any doubt? Is it clear to all? The concept of table, the attributes, the meaning. All right. Okay, just a second, I'm taking the attendance.